Got some bad news, guys. I was gonna change the tires today. The PMTs were supposed to show up, and they did, but they sent the wrong tires. They sent some 11-inch tires, so we're gonna have to wait for the next delivery, hopefully in a few days here. So we're just cruising it today on the stock tires, having fun. We'll be in a little bit of traffic here, but I'm taking us out to the country, don't worry. We're gonna get some nice open roads here in a few minutes. Scooter cruises so nice at speed. Really smooth scooter, really comfortable. This road coming up here, pay attention, it's very bumpy. So much so on the G-Space, I kind of struggle to the point where I almost lost control of the handlebars a couple times because the bumps are so harsh. But on this thing, no worries. Really smooth on this. See these big bumps you hit. "13-inch tires for the win." No, look, I think we're fast enough we could smoke a bike off the line up to about 40 or 50 and then they'll take us, but we're really fucking fast now. Not gonna lie. Decent cornering, but you can see there's just a hair of a wobble on the bumps. I'd like to see that get fixed with the PMTs. That's what we're hoping for, boys. It's a really good riding scooter after that, with perfect cornering. Oh, we're booking. So are these people in front of us? They're probably like, what the heck? The launch when you get back on the throttle, even at 30, is so hard. Woo! Yeah, this is an awesome scooter. No doubt about it. Is it the turbo? Turbo activated. Woo! That turbo, it hits! Woo! There's a guy on a moped up here slowing everybody down. This isn't even a moped, the guy was just going really slow. And this guy's bike is slow as molasses, brother. Oh, thank you. when you refuse to miss the light. Yo, yo. The grip is not too bad once your tires get warmed up, but man, it's crazy slippery right the first couple rips. Let's go out on the highway. It's this way. Sometimes you gotta give your foot a break. We just made 13 miles before my foot starts feeling it. That's really good on a scooter. I'm also breaking in new shoes right now too. That's part of the issue. See, we're at 13 miles, still at 77% battery. 100% going when this guy goes. There we go. Home free now, boys. I think we're out of the traffic for a while. You can just cruise. Woo, it's fucking fast. Should try a turbo launch. Now that we're down at 72%, maybe we can handle it. All right, we're in turbo. Every time I've done a turbo launch, I pussy out after like 1 second and let off, and then the turbo disengages. And it won't let you re-engage it without holding the button, so then you're just stuck accelerating in S mode again. I think we got it. Nope, turbo's off. Maybe when it starts spinning out, the turbo cuts out. I don't know. I'm not sure how it works exactly. Achieved top speed on this scooter here, at least in S. I'm still scared to run it in turbo mode. This guy's going under the speed limit. Should we make the pass? This is when the turbo is really for, when you come up on a guy that you want to make the pass, and you just flick it on for the while you accelerate past them. Similar to a Dualtron, they have an overtake feature like this too. That's what they call it. Different name, same game. Scooter coasts like nothing else. Like we're going uphill right now, I let off, and it just keeps coasting. I love it. Let's see, it says 18 miles and we're at 68%. Let's see what the turbo's got now. To 70. What is all this traffic over here, man? We're gonna come down here and do a U-turn, catch some clean road. This is when power gives you safety, because you can zoom through the blind spots. Let's see if I can get this guy through here. She gives a thumbs up. Wonder if you see why we turned yet. I'm sure they would love to get me. Oh, bro's got a Telario or something. Teverun, look at that. Scooter flies. Woo! We better slow down before we get a ticket. Woo! This guy just did the same thing in front of us. Wonder if he's gonna lane split or not. It's hard to do that with a license plate. For everyone who comments, just get a motorcycle. Just a little dance, you know, just a little dance. Could have made it, but I have a rule: I don't lane split past first responders. So we'll sit back here for a block or two until we can make a legit pass. What a nice day. We're down to 49%. We've done 27 miles at breakneck speeds. Safe to say we can get 50 out of this scooter. Going all out, crazy mileage. 60 amp hour is enough. I need to get some blood back in my right foot. It's falling asleep. It's very typical after you do 30 miles on a scooter, your feet are gonna be killing you, usually. My front foot feels pretty good, but my right foot, I'm feeling it. This guy just littered out his window. I feel like yelling at him at the stop sign. Hey, don't litter! Fucking litter bugs, dude.